Watch your head, watch your step, use that handrail. If the boat seems a little bit crowded right now, don't worry about that. Yeah, there will be plenty of room on the way back. Go ahead and wave goodbye to the dock. Now wave goodbye to the people on the dock. You'll never see them again. Welcome, folks, to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Brooks, and I'll be your skipper for as far as we get today. Now, parents, please remember to watch your children, and everyone remain seated with your hands, arms, legs, feet, cameras, jewelry, hair pieces inside of the boat at all times. You can leave your wallets on the seats, though. I'll collect those later. Now, if you look across the way, you'll see the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Do you folks happen to know why it's called that? It's because the Temple of the Forbidden Me would have been terrible grammar. And on our left, we have a tiger. Now, this tiger has actually been known to leap over 20 feet. But don't worry, we're only 15 feet away. They'll jump right over us. Oh, it looks like there's only 2 cobras out right now. Normally there's 4. If you see the other 2, just let me know, okay? We are now entering the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephants. And it looks like it's our lucky day. The entire herd came out to bathe. Feel free to take as many pictures as you'd like. They all have their trunks on. Now, kids, that's why you don't want to take too long in the shower. Yeah, you'll turn into an elephant. Almost happened to me once. No, I'm just kidding. I don't shower. Okay, Squirt, what's up? No, get back down. We've talked about this. Thank you. You guys should be fine. He's gonna get you. I'm not kidding. I was kidding. Just some dry humor. I would never lead you guys into danger. Did I hear an explosion? Let's get closer. I was told that famous entomologist is camping up here. Let's go check up on him. Oh. Oh no. Oh, this is terrible. Can you believe it? They left that vehicle running. Now we'll never get it to turn over. Alright, these apes are monkeying around way too much. Let's make like a banana and split. If you look over to your left, you'll see a bamboo forest. Now, some people say that bamboo can grow up to 6 stories. Others say 7, but that's a whole other story. Up ahead, we have these beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after the famous explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. But you don't need to worry about that now. We'll go over it later. We have just turned down the Nile River. Now, the Nile's actually the longest river in Africa. This goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And you know, if you don't believe me, you're in denial. On our left, that's an African bull elephant. That's actually the rarest creature in our jungle. I can guarantee you'll never see another one. What are you guys looking at? Oh. That's actually an aardvark. Yeah, the second rarest creature in our jungle. We are now entering the African belt, where the hand of man has never set foot. It looks like we have some zebras out here today. Do you folks happen to know the difference between a male zebra and a female zebra? Male zebras are white with black stripes, while female zebras, they're black with white stripes. Aww, isn't that sweet? Those lions are protecting that sleeping zebra. Yeah, that's how zebras sleep. On their sides, neck bent, eyes open. You know, he looks dead tired. Let's let him rest in peace. Now, if you look over to your right, you will see... Yep, you definitely won't see Skipper Felix and his crew being chased up a pole by a rhino. If you don't see anything, well, I don't have to do the paperwork for it. we've all been waiting for. The amazing, the spectacular, the eighth wonder of the world. The Dark Side of Water! Woo! O2H! O2H! Oh, just me, okay. You know, my boss, Alberta, she said this place was great for fishing. Apparently they're always fighting. Let's see if that's true. Oh no, that's not gonna bite me. Let's get out of here. Up ahead, it looks like there's a python in that tree. Do you know how I can tell about the python and not a boa? No feathers. And up ahead on our left, we have Trader Sam's gift shop. It looks like he stepped out for a few moments to pick up some stuff. You both know that people like to park their strollers right there in the walkway. Yeah, we have a Trader. They leave their stuff out there and we just call it out here. And on our left, we'll call that with Susan. We are now entering the most dangerous part of our journey, the return back to civilization. Once again, for your safety, please remain fully seated, hands, arms, elbows inside of the boat. We do not want to scratch that dock. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed your journey here today on the world-famous Jungle Cruise. If you had a wonderful time, my name is Skipper Rock, and if you didn't, well, my name really doesn't matter now, does it? Alrighty, folks, get out. Oh, I'm sorry, that was rude. Please get out. Jungle side, you're going to exit out to the rear of the boat. Dock side, exit out to the center of the boat. Please remember to watch your head, watch your step, and use those handrails. Once again, watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails. Thank you.